My name is Alfred. I am actually an IT product owner. My job basically is working with our finance stakeholders to make sure that we deliver best-in-class IT solutions for them. I would say that the advantage of IT Malaysia has the benefit because we are co-located with all our key business units. Intel puts a very high priority to make sure we have diversified and also inclusive environment. We have a diversified workforce, diversified races, diversified gender, and now for this year, we are trying to focus also on the minority group of people that has diverse ability. If you like to see what IT technology will bring us to the next era, then join Intel to show yourself and to have a great career.